Good morning. How are you? This is lesson one of week four. And we're doing lesson seven on parallel and perpendicular lines. So don't forget the first step is to go to attendance week four. And we're doing lesson one. Try and do that at start. Maybe pause. Okay, now that you come back, one other thing that you may need to think about, and that is we're getting towards the end of this topic, and you'll need to get prepared for a quiz or test. So if you go to the linear relations, there is a criteria sheet. It's like a check sheet where you can check how well you're going in this particular topic. So you can ask yourself, do I know how to do this, and so forth. So download that, and it will be recorded that you've done so. Let's go to chapter lesson 7 of your mainstream. Okay, don't forget you can, if you wish to, visit the same one, which is the videos presented for the enhancement classes as an extra if you wish. However, we're doing the ones prepared by Mr. Farragut. So there's your task. Go down here, watch the theory on Mr. Farragut. He does a couple of worked exams, really well done, setting out the work as you would with pen and paper. I have presented a PowerPoint, which is basically a repeat of that, but at least it allows you to scroll through the pages. So, and at your leisure, record that. So if I play that, you can easily copy down the example, and then so forth. Remember, when parallel lines where the point is given, we use this formula, and you can just press enter or N for next, and you can copy that into your. Here we have the work outline, and of course there's another video which shows how to use your calculator for graphing purposes. So let's go to that, and there it is there. So once you've done that, do the exercise 4E. I also suggest that when you go correct your answers, maybe practice using your calculator as well as checking the back of the book. Have a good lesson.